It's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox, designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.